I can guarantee y'all, if you master this entry model, your trading game in 2026 will never be the same. This is the exact model smart money traders use to enter the market with precision, while most traders are still chasing price and getting trapped. No indicators, no guessing, just pure market structure, liquidity, and high probability execution. If you understand this, you'll know exactly when to enter, where you're wrong, and why price moves the way it does. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I trade using my entry model after a liquidity sweep. I'll break down how I identify the sweep, wait for confirmation, and execute the trade with precision. So you're not guessing or chasing price, but entering with clear logic and high probability. By looking at this chart, price is clearly bullish, so the goal here is to look for buying opportunities only. Instead of forcing trades, we patiently wait for price to pull back into a key area, like a demand zone or a liquidity sweep, so we can enter in the direction of the overall trend with higher probability. This is not a break of structure, it's just a liquidity sweep. Price took out the previous high to grab liquidity and then quickly reacted back inside the range. For a true break of structure, we need to see a strong displacement and a clean candle close beyond the high, followed by continuation. Without that confirmation, we treat this move as liquidity, not a real structural shift. This is a real break of structure because price closed with its body beyond the previous high. That candle close shows strong displacement and real intent from buyers, not just a liquidity grab. When we get a body close like this, it confirms a structural shift and tells us the market is more likely to continue in this direction. Right now, price swept the liquidity below the swing low, but there was no strong body close beneath it. That tells us this move is not a break of structure, it's a classic liquidity sweep. Price simply ran the stops, grabbed liquidity, and quickly rejected, which often sets up a potential reversal or continuation in the higher time frame direction. After sweeping, you can drop down to lower time frame to look for confirmation. It could be like change of character or order flow shift. Please watch this. For targets, I usually go for a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 risk to reward, depending on market structure and momentum. If price is showing strong displacement and clean continuation, I'll let the trade run toward the higher target. But if the market starts slowing down or approaches a key liquidity level, I'll scale out or secure profits early. The goal is always to protect capital first and let probability do the rest. Let me show you another example to make sure you understand this even better, step by step. I want you to see how this plays out in real market conditions, not just in theory. And if you're finding value in this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I consistently share real trading concepts like this to help you level up your trading. This move is only a liquidity sweep, not a break of structure. There's no strong displacement or body close to confirm a real change in market direction. This is a perfect entry for me because the overall market structure is bearish and fully aligned with the direction of the trade. Price swept the liquidity above the previous swing high, but there was no real break of structure, just a stop hunt. That sweep gives me the confirmation I'm looking for, allowing me to enter with the trend, clear invalidation, and high probability. And then drop down to lower time frame to look for entry. This setup is amazing because there's clear liquidity resting below the market, giving us a clean and logical target. When you combine that with proper structure and confirmation, price naturally wants to move toward that liquidity. That's what makes this trade high probability, clear entry, clear target, and clear reasoning behind the move. Please be patient, bro. If this video helped you understand liquidity and entries better, don't just watch, take action. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because I'm consistently breaking down real trades and real market logic to help you trade smarter, not harder.